Dollar Tree Haul, Episode 5. Miss Sassy Pat.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pat. I'm going to show you some of my favorite items that I purchased at the dollar store. I have some of my favorites and some new items as well. So let's get started with this video. So the paper towels, they come in 3 sizes. There's 100 sheets, 140 sheets, and 210 sheets. Normally I see the 100 sheets and the 140 sheets. So they look something like this for the 140 sheets. And then the mega size is this, the 210 sheets. If I see the mega size sheets, the 210 sheets, I will purchase these. But if they don't have any, I try to purchase the 140 sheets. And then one of my favorites are the strong and soft toilet paper. And I think that it's super soft and I just love it. Another item that I've been buying lately is the t-shirts. I try to get the largest size that I can, and I will show you what I've been doing with the t-shirts. I've actually been making them into masks. So I try to purchase the largest size because then I tend to be able to make more masks out of them than purchasing the smaller sizes.
So these are some of the masks I made. I made a dual one, a gray one. They're so fun. I find them to be very therapeutic to make. And I'm trying to make them in all different colors. You'll have to try to make one.
Elastic hair ties. And I use these on my hair. And I use them as well to make the earpiece for the face mask. So if you're able to find the longer ones, this is definitely a good buy. So I was able to find these. This is a new item. I think I've never seen them at the Dollar Tree before. It's day in, day out travel bottles. And I like them. I'm gonna open them to show you what it looks like. And you have a larger bottle and a smaller bottle. And I like them because they have the snap cap. And I just love that. So then whatever you're having, like shampoo or lotion, you can just squeeze and it'll come in your hands. So this is definitely a very good buy, and you get 2 for $1. I love finding magnets when I'm at the Dollar Tree. So if I'm able to find some different ones. So I have one that says live in the now. It's so pretty. And then wake, pray, slay. So pretty. And my last one that I was able to find is live the life you love. So that is what that is looking like. So I think that it is so super cute. And I just put them on my refrigerator. Another item is the microfiber screen cleaner. And I wear glasses. These are nice to have to clean your glasses. Also, your computer screens or your TVs. I love having this microfiber screen cleaner. And another thing that I like about this screen cleaner, it's washable. So you wash it and you're able to reuse it. So I think this is a great buy. Another thing I found is the 2-in-1 brush and comb. And it looks something like this. So this is a great item when you're just trying to do your edges with a little gel. So this is a great tool to have. So another item are the batteries that I purchased. So yeah, you get 2 batteries for $1. So that is pretty good. Another thing that I found is plant labels. So it's summer if you're growing your garden, or if you have a patio, or you're going to have a container garden. I thought that these were a great item to have. You just write the names on them, and then you can tell whether you're growing your herbs or cucumbers or tomatoes. So I just thought that this was a great item to have. And this is a vegetable peeler. I saw this and I don't know if it's going to break because it is $1, but I just thought it was worth giving it a try. So I can't wait to try this item. And another item that I found is a disposable cover for the ladies. Can you see that? Let me stand up. Let me turn down. So yes, this is disposable covers for the ladies if you're wearing a top and you just want to make certain that certain things do not show. This is a bra converter clip, and for $1 I thought this was exceptional. So ladies, who can't use this during the summertime? And these are removable hooks. I love these hooks, and I like the fact that they are removable. So I'm going to show you how I've been using these hooks.
I am using these hooks as my necklace organizers, and I love them. It's so easy to get dressed in the morning knowing which necklace to pick.
Another item that I found were the handy wraps. So it's 60 snack bags. So let's see if you can see, hopefully. 60 little mini bags for $1. I mean, you can't beat this. Then another thing is a paper pad. So I just thought that these were really cute little papers. Let me see if I can get a close-up so you can see the different designs on them. See, we can open them. I'll show you a few of the designs. Like, look how pretty that is. And you have some polka dots. And you have that. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use these for, but I just thought that they were super cute. So I also found this battery operated toothbrush. So I cannot wait to try this. Okay, so an update on the toothbrush. It did not work. I don't know. The battery that came with it didn't work. I tried another battery and it didn't work. So I guess this will be a manual toothbrush. So maybe it's just a bad toothbrush, but this did not work. Oh well, it was only $1. And I also found this stop grinding for your teeth. I don't know if this is going to work, but I want to give this a try.
So this is the diagram. And I found it hard to get the grinder to stay on my teeth. I just thought this would be a choking hazard.
So that is the end of my video. So I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on my very next video. Bye.
Miss Sassy Pat. Wow. You make your hair look good, get your makeup right, get you dressing nice, alright. She got expo light, to cook tonight, she might save your life, alright. Maybe you should tune in. Maybe you should tune in. Your lace front and your toes did, she Maybe you should take